So hey guys, and welcome to the next video. Right now it's 22 o'clock, and as you can see, I still decided to record a new video for you because this is my challenge to record videos on a daily basis and to post them on YouTube. So, and the topic of today's video will be why I do not invest in Ethereum NFTs, but I do that in Solana NFTs. So, and let's get started. At first, I'd like to tell you that investing in investing in NFTs on Ethereum blockchain is a very expensive activity. It will cost you really a good amount of money. For example, I would like to present you one of the blue chips on Ethereum blockchain, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how much money you would have to spend on them if you would like to enter one of these collections. And the first collection that I would like to show you is Mutant Ape Yacht Club. I suppose that most of you have heard about such NFT collection as Bored Ape Academy Club. And actually, Mutant Ape Yacht Club is kind of an extension to that collection for several reasons. At first, real collection Bored Ape Yacht Club costs a tremendous amount of money, and I'm gonna show you in this video how much it is. For the second reason is that there are only 10, or as far as I remember, 10,000 NFTs in Bored Ape Yacht Club. And Mutant Ape Yacht Club actually has, as you can see here, almost 20k items in it, which makes it much more available for the wide range of public. So, and the price of this NFT collection, let's actually look at its floor price, is approximately 10 Ethereum. So, you would have to spend 10 Ethereum only on a single picture in order to get into this collection. But why do I show you only blue chips, you may ask me? Artem, why do you think that we should spend our fortunes on buying only blue chips? And guys, the reason is that I'm buying only blue chips. I'm following only blue chips, and I also recommend you to do the same if you're willing to try your skills in investing in NFTs. At first, as you might remember from the previous video that I recorded about NFTs on Ethereum and Solana, I specified the reasons there. Because the more reliable blockchain is, the more chances are that all these collections will recover in the future. So that's why I'm gonna show you only blue chips that I'm following. Of course, for now, I'm not sure that I'm able to invest in any of these projects, but in today's video, guys, I'm also gonna cover some of the projects that I have already invested and that I have an experience with. So continue watching this video to know this information. Now let's move on to the flagship collection, which is Bored Ape Yacht Club. And as you can see here, there are 10,000 items, which makes this collection even more rare than Mutant Ape Yacht Club. Yes. And here you can see that the current price is approximately around 50 Ethereum, which is an insane amount of money. By the way, Bored Ape Yacht Club is considered one of the most expensive NFT collections in the entire cryptocurrency industry. But it's very reliable, and I also can share with you some information and knowledge why it actually worth so much money. What if I told you guys that one of these monkeys belongs to Eminem? Yeah, Justin Bieber, and some other very popular artists that are known in the entire world. So there is a community behind that collection that makes it cost so much money. And if you really want to be in Discord channel with Justin Bieber, Eminem, and some other popular artists, that's what you're gonna pay for. At least for now, you can justify your purchase in front of your friends if you have. By the way, guys, if you really have this amount of money, maybe if I were you, I would actually buy one of these NFTs and hold them for, till the next bull run. Here is the Twitter of this NFT collection, Bored Ape Yacht Club. By the way, Mutant Ape Yacht Club doesn't have its own Twitter, at least I have recently checked it while I was preparing for this video, and I didn't manage to find it. In my opinion, both these collections, Mutant Ape Club and Bored Ape Yacht Club, belong to this Twitter. And as you can see here, there are over 1 million subscribers on this Twitter channel, which means that this collection is really well known. At least 1 million people already heard about it, and moreover, they are following these NFT collections, which means that the probability that they'll recover in the next bull run is very high. So, the next collection that I would like to consider is Azuki. Azuki is just profile picture collection, but it's really interesting that its price, its floor price is actually increasing right now. Because I have just looked at the cryptocurrency market, it fluctuates, and if we consider NFT markets, they decline. But this collection, for some reason, continue its growth, but it's also one of the blue chips. If you have some spare 15 Ethereum, you can put them in this collection. But for now, to be honest, I wouldn't invest in it, and the reason is obvious. The price is already high. And if the price goes up, you do not want to buy this asset. That is the reason to sell an asset. If the price goes down, I'll record a separate video with investing philosophy if you're interested in this topic. Please let me know in the comments below if you're interested in this topic. If you are, then of course I'm gonna record and discuss this dilemma of buying and selling assets. So, actually there is no other value behind Azuki. So the only reason you want to buy it is because it's rather famous, and if you look at the Twitter of that project, you can see that there are 340k followers, which makes this collection really attractive because it is well known among NFT investors. So then the next collection that I would like to cover, and unlike three collections that I've just covered, this one is, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, is worth buying right now. Look at the floor price. It's around 1 Ethereum. When on the past bull run, its price was around 7 Ethereum. What do you think about it? Moreover, this project has not only a community, but it also was created by a very famous artist. Unfortunately, I do not remember his name, but you can always go to Google and Google it. My job is just to make sure that you're aware of the current trends. As you can see, the floor price is going down, down and down, but that is the reason why you wanna buy it, if you want. And the price is comparatively low because 1 Ethereum for a blue chip on Ethereum mainnet, which is the main one in regards to NFTs and the amount of money that is put in that blockchain. So that is why I suppose that this collection is rather attractive for now, and if I had an opportunity, I would definitely invest in it. And by the way, guys, I'm just considering this opportunity and to take because I would like to try to take advantage of it. So let me know in the comments below what you think about it and if you're gonna invest in it. But just remember, all the risks are yours and all the risks that I take are mine. So I just share my personal opinion. It's not a financial advice. I just want to, one more time, I just want you to be aware of the current trends on the cryptocurrency market in all the spheres, both NFTs and cryptocurrency in general. So, by the way, this project has a really good Twitter. Moreover, they have some more activities, like they're launching this new Invisible Friends statues, and they also declared they also made an announcement that they want to launch a brand new collection, which would be called Garbage Friends. Yeah, it looks really cool if you look at this. And that collection will be airdropped to the current holders of Invisible Friends. And I suppose that these Garbage Friends will cost a good amount of money. That is why maybe for now, one more time, in just my opinion, that's a really golden opportunity to get into this collection. That's all for Ethereum. One more time, just to make a quick summary, why I do not invest in Ethereum NFTs most of the time. Because of the price. You can see that you have to have several tens of thousands of dollars in order to get into a good deal. But if you have an opportunity, if you really have an opportunity to put such amount of money into NFTs, right now you know what to keep in mind and what to consider. So, and now guys, let's move on to my favorite blockchain for NFT collections. And that's of course Magic Addon on Solana blockchain. The first thing that I would like to draw your attention to is to the fact that ABC collection that I've covered just a week ago, even less than a week ago, in one of the previous videos, actually skyrocketed. And for now, its floor price not around 20 Solanas or 30 or 28. So I actually bought 3 NFTs. Two of them I bought at the price of 27.28, and one of them I bought at the price of 20. Then I saw a rejection bar, and yeah, that's why I actually bought 3 of them. And for now you can see that the floor price went up. I really like this growth. Moreover, I've told you about this level of support and a potential rejection bar. It worked out. If you ask me if I'm gonna sell them right now, I'll tell you no, because my target price is definitely more than, okay, at least more than 80, maybe around $100, no, 100 Solanas for it, or maybe I'll even hold it for a longer time, who knows. But time will show. For now, 35 is a floor price. I'm not gonna sell at this price. It's not a good deal for me. So I'm gonna wait. And just please let me know in the comments below if you managed to get into this deal with me, because I really would like to see how many of you have finally had finally decided to invest in it. Or if you just missed that opportunity, and please specify the reason below as well. So here's the Twitter account of ABC collection. As I've told you guys, this collection is unique because it doesn't have a clear team of developers. It's a pure community-driven NFT collection. It has its own Discord channel, it's Twitter. I don't know the guys who are actually the leaders of this NFT collection, but there are some leaders in both Discord channel, and some of the guys, as you can see, make posts in Twitter. Somebody has to do that. I don't know who is doing that, but they do. So the next collection that you might consider on Solana blockchain is the Generate Ape Academy. Actually, I have a really interesting story which is connected with it. I would say it's even mysterious, magical, miraculous story that I'm gonna share with you only if you ask me to do so. Because that's kind of a very intimate story, and I didn't tell it to many people. I haven't told it to many people yet, but if you ask me, I'll go to my PC, I'll open OBS Studio and record a video that I will definitely post on YouTube, and I'll tell you what happened to me with this collection, and not only this one, because I got in a very interesting deal. If you want to know the details, one more time, let me know, and we should continue. Okay, so why the Generate Ape Academy? At first, this NFT collection has a clear team of developers. These guys are constantly working on this project, and they are they're making and releasing some updates. So if you want to follow it, they have their Twitter. I'm actually subscribed to their Twitter channel, and you can see that there are some interesting posts. And this collection is actually a part of a larger NFT community, which is called Dagen DAO. There are as far as I remember, there are two more NFT collections, like Dagen Trash Pandas and Dagen Bears. I can't remember exactly, but you can check that on your own. By the way, that could be your homework, because if you want to be as good as in NFTs as me, or even better if you want, of course you can achieve these results, but you have to devote some time to your own research. Otherwise you won't learn how to do that, and you'll always depend on me. Of course, I don't want to you to depend only on my decisions, and I just want to be a teacher for you. But you also have to learn on your own, otherwise you'll see no results at all. Of course, just watching my videos could be helpful for you at the very beginning, and maybe when you become more proficient in this field, you can also continue following me, because I'll continue growing as well, so my skills will be better in the future, at least I hope so, if I'll continue working on this channel, on my knowledge and NFTs and cryptocurrencies. And of course, I suppose that it will be an interesting community to join, and so you can also contribute to the growth of this community. So join it, if you want to become better in both cryptocurrency and NFTs. And the last but not least collection that I would like to cover for today is Solana Monkey business. This collection actually fluctuates a lot, but when the price goes below 200 Solanas, as you can see, there is a really strong level at the level of 200 Solanas approximately. And if the price goes below, maybe it's a good opportunity to buy it. I've been just following this NFT collection for a rather long time. I also bought a Solana Monkey business, and I also had a magic deal both with Dagging Ape Academy. One more time, if you want me to share the story, if you're intrigued, that's good. Write in the comments below and I'll try to record a video and explain the entire situation that happened to me. So this collection also has its own Twitter, and they have almost 100k followers, which makes it really attractive. If you want to ask me about the intrinsic value of that NFT collection, then there is no intrinsic value, it's just profile picture collection. But there are some popular guys who put their Solana Monkey business on their profile as their profile pictures in Twitter. Of course, which made lots of hype around that collection. Right now, they just deleted it from their Twitter accounts for the obvious reason. It's a bearish market, there is no more hype, then why to invest in it? But you know what to do, guys. You know what to do. Okay, and today I decided to make one more bonus for you. Have you heard that Pepsi launched its own NFT collection in 2021? These microphones, you can learn about them. That might be your homework. You can just open your Google and look what this collection is about. Try to make your own research about it. The only thing that I'd like to tell you that I have several of these microphones, which I bought for a much higher price, as the price was a quarter of Ethereum when I bought them. But for now, you can get into this deal for much better, much more attractive price. Of course, if you want to get into this deal, it's not a financial recommendation, but I suppose that Pepsi will do something about it on the next bull run. So that's all for today, guys. I hope that this video was really interesting for you. So if you really liked it, give this video a like. If you didn't like it for any reason, give it a dislike. I'll be crying. Of course I won't be crying, because it's just my channel. I'm trying to make it as good as possible, and you know my strategy. I'm not keen on editing videos, and I rather would like to work on myself. So, because even if in the future we will decide to organize a conference, maybe an online one or an offline one, then I would like to be the same guy that you see on YouTube, and not to be somebody else who can just tie two words together and who can say nothing, who is afraid of camera. So that's all for today. One more time, goodbye and good luck.